Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your website with Bluehost step by step clearly. To secure your website with Bluehost, start by logging into your Bluehost account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Sites tab on the dashboard. Select the website you want to secure from the list. Click on the security option in the left-hand menu. You will see various security features available. Enable the SSL certificate feature for your site. This ensures that all data transmitted to and from your website is encrypted. Next, scroll down to find the SiteLock section. SiteLock protects your website from malicious attacks. Choose the desired level of protection and activate it. Now, return to the dashboard and click on Settings. From there, go to the General Settings. Ensure that Force HTTPS is enabled. This ensures that visitors access your site securely. Next, consider implementing a strong password for your admin area. Go to the Users tab and select your account. Update your password to a complex combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Regularly update this password to maintain security. Now, navigate to the Performance option on the left. Enable the Hotlink Protection feature. This prevents others from using your images and files without permission. Next, set up regular backups for your site. Go to the Backup section and select a backup plan. Automating backups ensures you never lose your site data. Finally, regularly check for software updates. Keep your plugins, themes, and WordPress core up to date. This step helps protect your site from vulnerabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.